Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset LENOVO Tab K11. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a reset using the settings, and we can also reset our device using the recovery mode. Remember that the method using the settings is the recommended one, so let's begin with it. Simply open the settings, scroll down, click on General, scroll down again, all the way down until you find the reset options. And here we are interested in last feature, erase all data. Simply tap on that. Remember that all of your data will be permanently deleted from your device, so have that in mind. And now scroll down and click on erase all data. After that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again. And the next thing that you need to do is to set up your tab. When it comes to the second method, to the recovery mode method, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that there's a chance that when we get into the setup process after that, your device may want you to type the screen log that you had before the reset as a confirmation, or it will want you to sign in into the same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset, also as a confirmation method. So have that in mind. And to enter the recovery mode, we need to connect our tab into our PC or laptop using USB-C cable. But first we need to power off our device. Okay, just like that. And it's a little bit different than on other devices because we need to hold both volume buttons, and then while we are holding them, we need to insert our USB-C cable. So hold both volume keys and now insert the cable, and still keep holding volume buttons until the recovery mode launches. It may take a little bit, so we need to be patient. Okay, as you can see, it has launched perfectly. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys, just like that. And now to reset our device, we need to select wipe data/factory reset, confirm by clicking power button. Again, select factory data reset, confirm. Okay, data wipe complete. Now select reboot system now, confirm by clicking the power button, and now we just need to simply wait until our tab turns on. The next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.